Welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Duncan Laurence here with a song called Electric Life. So I believe Duncan Laurence is one of those who won the Eurovision Song Contest, if you know about that contest some years ago. Yeah, not really important. This one is a great happy song, so why not? Electric Life. No need for any cape over this one. And we have 7 beautiful chords for this. So let's start with the chords first, starting with A. Alright, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord will be B minor. So you need a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So all strings except from the last E here in the bass. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord will be B. And this one could be a little bit tricky with all the fingers like this, so I can just give you an easier variation of this one. It's a B sus thing going on here. So you have still the same as the B minor as it is, exactly. The only thing you need to do is just to take away the 3rd B string. Everything else is the same. So a bar on the 2nd fret from A string and down, and the rest 4th on D, 4th on G. That will work perfectly for this song actually. So that's the B. Next chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have E next. So E is with open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Then F sharp minor. So again, a bar here on the 2nd fret, this time all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And I forgot to mention the next chord, which will be perfectly with the A in that explanation. I have to take it now. So what you do here, this is actually called the A, but with an F sharp in the bass. So you have the A as it is, and then you just add the 2nd fret on E string. So that's where the F sharp lies. So yeah, so that would be 2nd on E, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And there you have all your 7 chords. Now this one starts with just downs, so it's very easy. So let's go over the chord progression. We have 4 downs for A, then 4 downs for the A F sharp, and some technique stuff here. Do not have to recuperate all your fingers like this. I go with A for this specific song with these fingers. So a middle finger, ring finger, and my little pinky. That's how I grab my A for the song, and that will be very easy then to just add the 2nd fret on the E string there to get the A with F sharp. So that's how I do it. So I go with this A grip. Okay, so again, starting from the beginning, 4 A's, then 4 AFs, then 4 B minors, and 4 E's. This chord progression I'm gonna play for 2 times, and that's the first verse. 4 A's, 4 AFs, 4 B minors, and 4 E's. Now the pre-chorus, still just downs. I'm going to go with 4 A's, then 4 B's, then 4 D's, and 4 A, then 4 F sharp minor, 4 B, 4 D, and 4 A. The pre-chorus. So just to summarize that one, A4, B4, D4, A4, and then F sharp 4, B4, D4, A4. Many fours. Yeah, that takes us to the first chorus, and now we need to look at a strumming pattern. So F sharp minor will be the first chord. So one round will be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, it's pretty long. Sounds like this. Okay, so again, down, down, and then down, up, down, 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 up. First two downs, down, down, and then comes down, up, down, and then down, down, up. All right, so that's the strumming. So you're gonna do one strumming round per chord here. So the chord progression will be F sharp minor, then B, then D, and then A. That chord progression you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So I'm gonna take you through that now. So starting with F sharp minor. The chorus. All right, so that takes us to the second verse, and from now on nothing is new. The second verse is played in the same way as the first one. The same goes even with the second pre-chorus and the second chorus. And after the second chorus comes an outro part, and it ends with your electric life times 2, and that is just a vocal part. So you will end up with this song singing, and I'm not gonna do that for you, so that's on you guys. So that is Duncan Lawrence, Electric Life. Wow, exciting, Electric Life. Wonder how that is. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please let me know. Thumb up this one, subscribe if you haven't yet. I love to see you guys come to Gordon Guitar family. I see that happen every now and then. I'm very grateful for that. So thank you for it, guys. I'm doing my best for you, of course. So yeah, see you soon. Play tuned.